Hey guys, just a real quick update. More and more and more about this Framework laptop. I know a lot of you guys are probably sick of hearing it because it's, and some people are interested only because they were interested in this model or even the company. Um, Believe me, Framework has a lot of, what do you call, goodwill and halos and good aura around them because of the type of company that they are and their mission. It's just that their quality control and assurance is kind of lacking. And I know it's a small company, so their customer service is also needs some improvement. And I know that they're also already trying hard to start building up their business enterprise um, sales and support, which is going to take a lot to be like Dell and HP, where they have a dedicated enterprise, sales and service. It takes a lot for that. So if they can't deal with the consumer side, well, the business people, enterprise, are way more demanding. Anyways, as far as my update goes, as you guys already know, the fourth screen is still a dud. Actually, the longer I use this fourth screen, that left corner just feels like it's actually gotten worse, in my opinion, because in a bright day like this, even, I have my shades down and everything, and not the brightness is not at 100%. I would have the backlight at how I normally would have it, and I notice it. And I'm not looking at a black screen either. It was just on boot up, and then it goes into my what do you call, my desktop, which is a dark desktop, as you know. And so anyways, I'm hoping this would be a short. So long story short, Framework did get back to me and said that they want me to send it back. I really don't want to, because the first time I sent it back, it took forever, almost a month. But I'm hoping that they have someone personally looking into this, like hands-on, and actually, because it's already been a long process. Hopefully it's gone up the chain a bit. I cannot get a refund on this because it's past the return date. Some people have already asked, hey, why don't you just get a refund? That's why. I don't know if they are allowed to do a partial refund. That would be nice. I'm putting that out there, so have other people. And that's pretty much it. So that's where we're at. I'm sending the laptop back for another round of repairs at their site. Hopefully they don't scratch anything up. That's what I'm worried about. This time I don't have a dbrand skin on it, because the laptop I sent back to them, the one they wanted me to swap, had the dbrand skin. Dbrand, by the way, still hasn't responded. They said that they were going to be able to replace the skin just at the cost of shipping, which was nice, but that was almost a month ago. Yeah. So that's another company you got to deal with. So long story short, I don't even have a skin on this one. And so I'm afraid that, I'm afraid of scratches on this thing. All right, well, that's it. That's the update. Bye. Oh, my hair. Bye.